Here we got three projects. I think we have explained you most of the projects we have explained you in detail. The first project is wire galvanizing line where we manufacture galvanized wire. Our manufacturing capacity is 12,000 tons. Out of 12,000 tons, 55% is exported to the neighboring countries and majority to Kenya. And here I would like to point out that after paying transport costs up to Uganda, we are still able to export to Kenya, which means that we are manufacturing highest quality of galvanized wire and our prices are competitive. This is why Kenya is buying for us. And I'm very proud. I never imagined, I never thought that after paying all this transport costs we will be able to export to Kenya. So this is really a big achievement for Roofings Group and for the country. Phase 2, which you have seen, is a rolling mill where from the scrap we make the reinforcement part to the highest standard. We do the standard BS 4449 and all our products are approved by Uganda Bureau of Standards. We are setting standards together to improve the standards for all the products, not only Uganda.
That's my new team.
Your new team, all your team has been continuously cooperative, and the new team is very, very dynamic team. And I think you don't have any problem at all in collaboration and so phase 2, our production capacity would be 72,000 tons, and this is for Ugandan consumption, exports to Rwanda, Burundi, DRC Congo, Southern Sudan, Northern Tanzania and Kenya. The third phase, which you see, we are almost in the completion phase. It will take us another 6 months to complete the third phase. Then we start with the hot roll coil, and the whole project is to manufacture galvanized sheets for the population here in Uganda and export, and color-coated sheets in the region. These products are of very high quality, which will be producing over here. We have invested a lot in technology. We have got also equity partnership with Japan, who has got experience in this field of manufacturing products, galvanized products, not only for roofing, but then they also manufacture for the car industry. They are exporting to United States like General Motors and all. So we will have the technology transfer, technical assistance and training from Japanese. But we should not forget also we got very experienced Indian engineers and Indian managers who have got a lot of experience from India. So here the whole objective of our project is to train Ugandans and ultimately to bring up the Ugandans to take up the responsibility. Once all the phases are terminated, once we start the production of all the phases, our exports would be $100 million per annum. Our tax contribution would be between 130 to 150 billion Uganda shilling. Our present contribution is around 87 billion Uganda shilling to the tax authority. Employment for the present, and once this is completed, we will be employing around 3,000.
About 3,000?
3,000. Then, Honorable